हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम सब पढ़ेंगे एंटी ड्रग्स एसे स्पीच इन इंग्लिश। रिस्पेक्टेड प्रिंसिपल, टीचर्स एंड माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। टुडे आई स्टैंड बिफोर you to speak on a very important occasion, International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking, also known as Anti-Drugs Day, observed every year on 26th June. This day is a powerful reminder of the harmful effects of drugs and the urgent need to combat drug abuse in society. Drugs not only destroy the health of individuals but also break families and harm the future of entire communities. Millions of people around the world suffer due to addiction. Many young lives are lost every year, not just due to the drugs themselves, but due to crime, accidents and diseases linked to drug use. It all starts with a small habit, a moment of curiosity, peer pressure of stress that turns into a dangerous addiction. Friends, say no to drugs is not just a slogan, it is a life-saving decision. If you ever feel stressed, anxious or depressed, remember there is help available. Talk to someone, speak to your parents, teachers or a counselor. Don't choose a temporary escape that leads of permanent damage. We as students and responsible citizens have a role to play. Let's spread awareness. Let's support those who are struggling, and most importantly, let's lead by example. Let's build a future that is healthy, happy and drug free. Thank you and जय हिंद। तो फ्रेंड्स, ये है स्पीच ऑन एंटी ड्रग्स डे इन इंग्लिश। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक करना, शेयर करना एंड चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो।